Welcome back to my channel. So today, this is the day fitting the ILR Carbon front small bits package. So the small bits package, as you saw from my last video, I did the rears. I'll put a little picture of that up now. But yeah, today is the front bumper parts. Here they are. So these are going to go and replace the matte black plastic, which is down here, which is kind of small, not really that attractive, not sure what use it is, but the carbon here will offset nicely with the carbon I've already got on my front splitter. So we're going to get that in there. The only tricky part of this is I've got to take the front bumper off. Now, I have taken the front bumper off my car, or not this particular one, but my last TT and one of my mates raised TTs as well, to put the TT RS honeycomb grille in an S-line. So same procedure again. I think I'm pretty up to speed with it now though. So I'll show you how to take a front bumper off of an Audi TT. The TT RS is only slightly different with the slam panel. There's a couple of clips here which are slightly different, but pretty much exactly the same. So let's get on with it. Okay, so the first job is to get access to the front wheel arches. So put your wheel on full lock, and there's 4 T25s under here. So you've got one at the bottom here, you have one a little bit higher up, there's one slightly higher up there, and there's one under here, which all 4 need to come out, and do that on both sides. Okay, now those screws are out, pop the bonnet, and we'll have to take some screws out from under the bonnet now. Right, first things first, lever, quite simple. There's a little button behind there, you push that in, and that should, once you've pushed it in, just comes out. Don't obviously leave that and put it away, because if you close the bonnet, it's a difficult one to get it back in to actually open the bonnet again properly. Now we've got to take these 6 pieces out, so you need like a little tool that goes under and pops them out. So this is the tool I used. I got it with my trim tool kit from Amazon. So yeah, just slide it under the top part, keep your thumb on the top because it's quite thin plastic, and just move it around a bit and ease it up very slowly, but you've got to use a bit of force and it should just pop up. And then just put that piece to one side, and the bottom piece should come out pretty easily, to be honest. Again, just slide it under and just pop it up, and just do the same thing really for the next 5. Okay, so now all 6 are out. It's easy just to pull it up. The end pieces have got a couple of clips, so just pop them out. Pretty simple, just unclip each side, there we go, and it just slides off. Simple as that. Right, now looking underneath the car, there is a number of screws here to undo. So I have a splitter as well, obviously, under here. So the splitter and the screws may be in a slightly different position based on my front splitter, but you get the sense of it. There's about 3 on this side, and then there's about 3 on that side. So I need to remove all of those just underneath. Some of mine are in the under trays as well as through the splitter into the under trays, so I've just got to work out which ones are actually connecting the whole bumper to the under trays as well, and then remove those. Okay, now those screws are out from underneath, it's just take the top ones out now. And that is pretty much all the screws. So this is the bit that I'm always concerned about, is making sure this joint is always going to be perfect. So this now is like kind of clipped in, so this just kind of clips out. But I need two hands for this because I want to be careful and make sure that I'm doing this correctly. I'm not going to take it fully off because there is an electric cable down there as well, which I don't actually need to take out. Right, so the pieces concerned are here, so let's see how simple it's going to be to unclip these.
Oh no, don't get me right in the eye.
What do you think I'm doing, babe?
I think you're dismantling your entire car.
Am I being an idiot? Oh my god, look at it.
It's not for rain.
Okay, I've detached the whole bumper because I've pretty much got to get behind it. So there's a little popper in there, you just pop that out, gives you a better access. But the actual piece is these two clips here and behind here. So in order to get behind that plastic casing, I need to take these clips off. So they're quite easy, just get one of these type of tools and just prise it off, and then we can reuse it again. So there's 3 of these. Once they're off, that will easily just slide out. Okay. And then you've got access obviously to get to the part that we're trying to move behind. These clips are a little bit tough, so be careful with them, but yeah, they just need to be flexed out, and then it will pop out from the back to the front. Right, I'm not going to lie, that was quite difficult for such a small part. It's a bit of a challenge to actually get that out, but I've got it out, so let's put the new one in. So there it is, it's in. Oh, that was pretty difficult. Let's go and do the other side and get the bumper back on the car. Okay, so both are now in. Fitment is really good, so perfect. And there's it in there. So there was a little bit of difficulty, which I wasn't sure about, but yeah, you just have to take this this foam piece out, and then there's just a plastic piece behind like I showed you, and then you can just obviously take them out. The only connection I have on an RS is this here, and I assume that is the sensors, the parking sensors, that's what that electric's for. And I think there is some sort of crash bar detection thing as well, potentially. But anyway, there is that. Now I'm going to put it back on the car, hopefully, fingers crossed. Right, it's probably be a good chance now to just clean out these vents behind here because they always get so much dirt in them, and there's no way of really properly cleaning them out, so good chance to do a little bit of maintenance. Just take out any debris. Right, now that's all clean. Need to connect the electric again, which is the parking sensors. Right, so all that is put back on. All the screws are done. Now it's just a slam plate. This is pretty simple. Make sure just everything is tightened up. Just need to tighten these parts up. There we go. That kind of slips under that. Line these holes up, and there's like a little clips on the end pieces here. There we go. And then we get these 6 pieces back in again. Straight in like that. I think if you break any of these clips, I'm sure you can just buy some. I'm sure they sell them in the tons, because so many people probably break them taking their car apart. Okay, and now the final piece is the handle. Now, because you pushed a button in, just put a screwdriver in the end, and you can just pop that little button back, and it just clips back on again. There we go. And now, let's hope it all lines up. Nothing under the bonnet. Absolutely perfect. So there we go. The carbon looks beautiful against my my splitter as well. It's only a small touch, it's nothing major, but that is the ILR small bits package, which matches, and it comes with the rear vents too. So go check them out, ILR Carbon. I'll put the links all in the description. And the small bits package is the rear vents and the front vents. all included, all in the same package for the TT RS facelift. All right, that's it. So I'm going to give the car a bit of a detail. I'm going to be at some car shows in the next few weeks. So if I'm going to see you guys there, you come and check out the ILR small bits package carbon. And it wasn't so bad. I was more worried about taking the bumper off and it wouldn't be able to go back on again, because I kind of had some struggles on my last TT, but that was pretty much of a breeze actually. Bit fiddly for what it's worth for these small pieces, but they look great. So thank you very much, ILR Carbon, and I'll catch you guys at the next video.